I got the Donk pocket clip for my Leatherman Wave. So I'm going to install it. So here's what comes in your Donk clip pack by Pocket Designs. It's this clip, but there's also a lanyard. I'm just going to use the clip. I bought my Wave and it didn't have a clip, so it's been getting annoying just keeping it in my pocket. These are made out of titanium. The material is titanium. So I have one hand, so this is going to be a little bit difficult. I mean, with two hands I could do it really well. But if you noticed, oops, wrong side. There's like a space right there. See that space, that dark space right there? That's where we slide the clip in, and then all you have to do is open this. So let me try to do this with one hand, I guess. So we're going to insert it right about there. And to do it is really quick. Just press down on the button. You see how it opens that? It's this button on the side. And then you just pretty much jam it in here, like so. Move it around a little bit. And that's it, it's done. Now, the new titanium clip on the Leatherman. Everything works fine. It doesn't come off. And it's just as easy to remove. You just push down on this and then pull. But it's in there very solidly. Thanks for watching.